Overworking. In a bustling city, there was a tech company where Alex worked as a dedicated employee. One Monday, Alex arrived at work to find an enormous pile of assignments on their desk. Their manager, Sarah, had allocated several urgent projects to Alex, each with strict deadlines. At first, Alex felt a rush of enthusiasm and was ready to meet the challenge. But as the week unfolded, the workload only seemed to increase. Alex found themselves staying late at the office every night, missing out on their usual evening activities. By Wednesday, Alex was feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. During a short break, they had a chat with a colleague, Jordan, who seemed surprisingly relaxed. Jordan shared how they had once faced a similar situation and advised Alex to speak with Sarah about the workload. Encouraged by this idea, Alex decided to approach Sarah. They scheduled a meeting and prepared a list of all their tasks to show how much work they had. Alex: Hello, Sarah. Can we talk about my workload? Sarah: Of course, Alex. What's on your mind? Alex: I've been assigned a lot of projects. It's overwhelming. I've been working late every day. Sarah: I understand. Let's see what you have. Alex: Here's a list of all the projects and the time each one requires. I think I need some help managing this. Sarah: Thank you for bringing this to my attention, Alex. Let's prioritize these tasks and see if we can reassign some of them to other team members. After their discussion, Alex felt a huge sense of relief. Sarah helped prioritize the tasks and reassigned some of the work to other colleagues. This change made the workload more manageable, and Alex was able to leave work at a reasonable hour. By the end of the week, Alex and their team had successfully completed the most critical projects. Alex learned an important lesson about communicating openly about workload challenges, and Sarah learned to better assess and distribute tasks within the team.